the body of mass m performing vertical SHM. Let me say this is the vertical SHM of this body of mass m. This is the mean position, then one extreme and another extreme. We can say this is one extreme and this is another extreme with amplitude A, and amplitude oscillation is given us, that is the A, and angular frequency is omega and time period is t. The minimum time taken such that its apparent weight changes by 2m omega square. Okay. अब देखो वेट जो इसका कम और ज़्यादा कहाँ होगा. We have discussed when the object is the extreme position, then there is apparent change in weight will be more. So if I say at this extreme position I discuss, here the normal reaction will act N1, here the weight will act mg, and acceleration is toward the center or mean position, that is A. We can write mg minus n1 equal to mass into acceleration, and n1 is given by mg minus A. When body is here, we all know normal reaction always act toward this side, weight always act toward this side, and you can say this is the acceleration toward the mean position or toward the center. So what we can write here, n2 minus mg equal to m into A. n2 is written as mg plus A. Now what is n2 minus n1? n2 minus n1 we calculate, that is mg plus ma minus mg minus minus plus ma. So finally we will get it is 2ma, and acceleration at the amplitude position is written as the omega square, amplitude is A. So this A is the acceleration, and in the numerical this A is given you amplitude. So take it acceleration like this. Now so अब आपसे पूछा टाइम कितना लगेगा. अब देखो यहाँ ये आपका चेंज आया है, तो यह टाइम कितना लगेगा, यानी यहाँ से यहाँ जाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा. तो आई होप इट इज़ विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. टाइम विल बी टेकन, दैट इज t/2, बिकॉज t/2 में यहाँ से आ जाएगा, फिर अगले t/2 में यहाँ से आ जाएगा. तो आंसर ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम विल बी ऑप्शन 3.